Hi, it's Jess from Cook with Jess, and today we're going to be making blueberry lemon muffins. These blueberry muffins make about 24, but this depends on what size your cupcake cases are or your muffin tin is. Make sure you've lined your tray with paper cases, or if you're using a muffin tin like this, you don't have to. Make sure you've washed your hands before you start baking. And now we are going to start making our muffins. But before we get started, I need to tell you what you're going to need. Okay, so you will need 65 grams of sugar, 3 large eggs, 140 grams of plain Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of applesauce and honey, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 whole lemon zest, 50 milliliters of lemon juice, 195 grams of whole wheat flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and of course 100 grams of blueberries. You will also need a large mixing bowl, as demonstrated, a whisk, a spatula, an ice cream scoop, sharp knife, be careful, and a chopping board. And you might need a cloth because it might get messy. But I mean, all baking is messy. So take your sugar and your eggs and put them into a large mixing bowl. Okay, so now take your whisk and whisk them together. That should be good now. Okay, next thing you need to do is take your yogurt, put this in. You might want to use a spoon to help get it out. Take your honey and applesauce. You need 2 tablespoons of each. Now add your vanilla extract, your lemon zest. Okay, so once you've added all your ingredients, you now need to juice your lemon. You need a measuring cup to measure out 50 milliliters. So take your chopping board and your sharp knife. Now get your lemon and just roll it, because this helps get the juice out. It's really nice. You can either do it in your hands or on the worktop. Now cut it in half, but you may need a bit of help from an adult to do this, as you are using a sharp knife and it can be quite hard. So now take 1/2 of your lemon and place it on top, squish down, and if you don't have one of these and you're not using a fresh lemon juice, you can just buy lemon juice in like a little bottle from the supermarket. Okay, now take off the lid and measure out 50 milliliters. This is so sad. We don't have enough. Never fear, because we actually have another lemon. Roll it. Whoops. I just dropped it, it'll be fine. We're not using it outside anyway. I would say probably gonna need 1.5 of lemon juice. Okay, now pour that in. And you need to whisk this up now. Make sure it's all well combined, like this. So now take your flour, pour that in, your baking soda and baking powder and your salt. You're gonna need a spatula for this, and now fold in the flour. Keep mixing until all the ingredients are well combined. All the ingredients are well combined like this. You need to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. So you need to take your blueberries and now put these in. They are your final ingredient. And now fold them in. But you want to do this softly so they're not getting all squished and mushed. Clear some space so you can put your muffin tin down, and you need to take a ice cream scoop, scoop a bit. Make sure there's some blueberries in there as well, and plonk it in. You're going to want to fill them up to about just below the top of the rim, so about this much below the top, so they have some space to rise. I mean, you might want to fill them up all the way if you're making really big ones. While you're here, make sure to subscribe to our channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and turn on a notification so you get notified whenever we post a new video. Also, make sure you follow us on Instagram at secular_productions. Now you can place these in the oven for around 20 to 25 minutes. But make sure you're watching them once they've been in for about 20 minutes. Okay, so let's go put them in the oven then. So do the same in your other muffin tins until all of your mixture is gone. Oh, they're ready. Let's go get them. Make sure you have some oven gloves and a parent supervising you, as you are using a hot oven. Okay, once you've taken them out of the oven, you need to place them on a rack to leave them to cool for about 10 minutes. Once you've left them to cool for 10 minutes and they have cooled down, take them out of the case and put them on a cooling wire rack to leave for another 5 minutes, and then you can enjoy them. So here is the final product of the muffins. As you can see, they came out really, really well, and the edges are super smooth and they're the perfect size. We ended up making 14 muffins actually. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Excuse me? Oi, where are you going with that? Come back.